Hello dinos, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to mine dinos and earn rewards using the Dino Dazzle bot on Telegram in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, open your Telegram app. In the search bar, type Dino Dazzle and select the official bot from the search results or follow the link sent by your friend. Once you open it, you'll see the first message from the bot. Simply click on the Start button to begin getting started with the bot. After clicking Start, you'll see a message with a Let's Go option. Click on that, and the bot will welcome you with a Let's Go message. Next, it will register your account. The bot will verify your username, account, age, and will allocate reward coins as a welcome gift. If you have Telegram Premium, you'll automatically receive an additional 1,000 coins as a reward. Pretty cool, right? Next, you'll need to complete some tasks to start earning rewards. First, daily task. You have to receive your daily login reward by completing daily task. The next task is to watch a YouTube video. After watching the full video, you'll see an interface confirming your progress. You'll also earn 100 coins as a reward for completing this step. After that, there are a few more simple tasks. Follow the Dino Dazzle Telegram channel, follow our TikTok account, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Finally, watch another video and use the code provided in the video to complete this step. Enter the code into the bot, and you're good to go. Next and important step is to connect your wallet. You can use Tunkeeper or any wallet you like. This wallet is your unique ID for future transactions. You can also earn extra coins by inviting your friends and family. For every invite, you'll get 100 coins added to your account. This is the fun part. You can buy an exclusive NFT every month for 2 tons, and NFTs can be sold for 20 tons or more. Every month, NFTs will be distributed to members. Keeping it simple, only 1 NFT is allowed per account, and maximum of 100,000 NFTs will be distributed every month. At Dino Dazzle Coin, every can earn tons by creating their networking trees. A fair amount of reward will be given to you if your referred friends and invites by NFTs. We'll make a detailed video on networking income. Till now, make sure to follow all steps to start mining the Dino Dazzle coin. And that's it, Dinos. With just a few simple steps, you're all set to start earning rewards on Dino Dazzle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you in the next video.